Hey guys, welcome back. It's me Chris, and this is a session on the action words, and today we're going to look at the action word called throw. The different forms that we're going to be looking at today is throw, throwing, threw, thrown. Yeah. Okay, so if you're ready, let's begin. Please make sure you repeat after me so that you get them right. Okay, he throws. He is throwing. He has threw. He has been throwing. Did you get that? Great. Let's look at the next four. He threw. He was throwing. He had thrown. He had been throwing. He will throw. He will be throwing. He would have thrown. He would have been throwing. Okay, so if you got that, we've come to the end of the action word throw. So please feel free to repeat the video and go through it time and again. I'll come back with more words.